spatial synthesis. As a discipline, it adopts a holistic approach. Understand the fact that all operating systems in the world are interdependent. The world has become a global village, wherein distances have been reduced by better means of transport and communication due to presence of better technology, can easily monitor natural phenomena as well as changes in socio-economic parameters. It is interlinked with social and natural science that perceives the reality in totality, keeping in mind the spatial perspective. To attempt a holistic integration, a geographer needs to have broad understanding of all related fields. Let us begin by understanding geography's integration with history as a subject. Historical events can be interpreted in geographical terms. In traditional wars, large countries in terms of area have always gained due to spatial distance. Similarly, spatial depth, for instance, vast ocean, have historically protected countries from outside invasion. Geography has played a very significant role in changing the course of history in several parts of the world. For instance, Himalayas have provided protection against invaders since ages, but at the same time, passes have facilitated movement of migrants. India's long coastline has facilitated contact with people from East and Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe. Advancement in navigation technology helped the Europeans in establishing colonies all around the world. Time is a very important part of geography. Hence, all geographical events can be explained in context of time. For example, it can be said that place A is 1500 kilometers from place B, or alternately, it can also be said that place A is 2 hours away or 17 hours away. Why is geography termed as an integrated science? Integrated geography is a branch of geography that describes and explores the spatial aspects of interaction between human individuals, societies, and their natural environments. It requires an understanding of the dynamics of physical geography as well as in which humans have their habitats. Geography is a dynamic subject with data, policies, and terms, as well as its geomorphic features, which change constantly. These changes can be explained with illustrations of some required skills, such as the uses, limitations, and reliability of models, quantitative techniques, the collection of data, including using of internet, making classifications, and the dangers of stereotyping and of making broad generalizations. Geography is also considered with the development of graphical skills such as geographical information system. Quantitative and statistical techniques are incorporated with appropriate points, although each may be relevant elsewhere in many of the physical and human or economic fields. Technology has provided better chances of monitoring natural phenomena as well as the economic and social parameters. Geography as an integrated subject has an interface with numerous natural and social sciences. Geography helps in understanding the reality in totality in its spatial perfection. A geographer is required to have a broad understanding of all related fields and should have the ability to logically integrate them, for example, Geography influences historical events. In India, the Himalayas have acted as great barriers and provided protection from the severe cold winds blowing over China. But the passes provide routes to the migrants and invaders from Central Asia. Time is also an integral part of geography. For example, it can be said that place A is 1500 kilometers from place B, or alternately, it can also be said that place A is 2 hours away or 17 hours away.